Yo, what is up everyone? My name is Dom and we're here to talk about unusual options activity. Alright, we had a banger of a day today. I hope you guys had a good day. It's the holidays coming up. We had a good day in the market and just an overall great day. So let's go everyone. Alright, so so the trades I brought up yesterday, SPCE, Virgin Galactic, and Target all traded up today, so let's go people, bang! Alright, yeah, so I just wanted to bring that up. And guys, that's what it's about. You know, that trade I talked about yesterday that was a loser, it's all about, you know, putting that behind you and learning and, you know, just keeping things rolling, moving on to the next trade and keeping your confidence and, you know, take a loss with confidence and always learn from it. And that's what I'm talking about. You keep it rolling forward and you just, you know, keep it going. So that's what I'm talking about, guys. Let's go. Alright. So, yeah, a couple trades I want to bring up to you guys. Rio Tinto. Alright, now, so if you know, active in the market and stuff, the last couple weeks, even, you know, the last week, even, you know, somewhat this week, the tech stocks have just been roaring. You know, there has been a transition into technology, and now with today, you know, you can see that these materials, these steel stocks, these mining stocks are starting to gain some traction again. This market is really weird. It's like a, you know, transition from COVID tech growth stocks. Then the next day it can be, you know, a transition. Everyone's buying materials, steel stocks, you know, reopen stocks. It's crazy. So I just own a little bit of everything. You know, I don't own all technology. I don't own all, you know, stocks like Rio Tinto. But, you know, you just gotta do what you want with your own portfolio. You know, I'm not in all tech stocks. I'm not in all steel stocks. You know, I am just keeping it nice and balanced. Yeah, so Rio Tinto. So yeah, if you come down here and check it out, right here, right away, you see this January 2022 100 strike call. Someone came in here and got 5,000 of these. So they got 5,000 at 185 bucks. You can do the math, and that's a very sizable order. As you can see here, we have a position. We followed these people in, and some nice volume to go along with it. About 6,800 contracts trade today versus open interest of only 31. So I like that. Remember, guys, you always want to see a nice sizable order with some nice volume and low open interest. That's a really good sign in my opinion. So let's go to the chart here. As you can see, this one has well above the pre-pandemic high here of about 60. And if you go here to a maximum chart, you can see that this thing is making a multi-year breakout. So right at this 60 level, you know, if you just come trace this back, it looks like it had some resistance. It came up, bounced off of it many times, and we just got through that not that long ago, guys, and now we're headed up to this 70 level. Sorry, we're headed up to this 70 level now, and we're right at it. We're right at it. So, you know, we're playing this one for some upside, hoping to get through this level here. If you guys see what I'm talking about right here, this level, you know, we are right at that over here. So, you know, we could get through it. We're playing this one for some upside. Whoever bought those calls that I followed in is definitely thinking that we're getting through that. So yeah, we jumped in these ones. I like this company. It's mining, steel company, materials, or mining and materials. I think they do some steel too. So yeah, I like this one. We're in these calls. All right, so I want to bring up one that I found yesterday after the close of the market and after I did the video. Otherwise I would have brought it up to you guys yesterday, but hey, more the merrier. So as you can see here, we have a position in these February 15 calls. Yesterday there was a lot of buying in these ones, and as you can see here, it transferred over to this large open interest here of about 9,000. So yeah, yesterday there's a lot of buying going on. A lot of that volume transferred over to open interest, so people still own those contracts that were buying them yesterday. And there was even more volume today. So I saw this one, and I was like, I have to buy this one, you know, at the open. And we bought it lower than where it's at now. Not a whole lot lower, because it was up nicely at the beginning of the trading session. So yeah, this company is really interesting. It's like a financial technology platform. It's blockchain enabled, and anything that's like blockchain, clean energy fuels, has to do with Bitcoin, electric vehicles, ESG, environmental, social government. These stocks have been on a tear, and I wanted to get in on some of this action. I've been getting in on it, but hey, this is a cheap bet here. These options are only like $150. I mean, pretty expensive to, relative to how the stock is, but, it just goes along with this high implied volatility here of 121%. That is really high, so you always have to watch that. That's why these options are really expensive. The demand is through the roof. That's why they're expensive. But hey, we're playing this one for some more upside here. It's kind of a very strange looking chart here. Honestly, I'm not really too sure what's going on with this here. But yeah, huge gap up. I don't know what is going on here. But yeah, so this is a multi-year chart. As you can see here, this is 2007. So let's just go to the year chart. Really strange looking chart, not going to lie. Very volatile. And it made it up to 15 and then dropped to 7. And now we're getting in around 12. So, this is definitely a deep end of the pool. This is definitely a risky one. But, anything blockchain is on fire. So, I got into this one, and we're playing this one for some upside. We'll see what happens. Remember, guys, you always have to do your own due diligence. And also, that reminds me that I forgot to throw up this screenshot. So, might as well do it now. This video is for educational purposes only. The statements made in this programming are solely the opinion of the show and are not specific inducement to make an investment. One must perform their own due diligence and realize that all investments carry risk. There's no guarantee of profit. And that's real, guys. I say that for a reason. You have to do your own due diligence. I'm here to tell you what I do. Hopefully you can learn from it. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm going to start saying that every video because it's really important that you guys know what you're doing. This is for educational purposes only so you guys can learn. You have to know what you're doing. All right. Yeah, so thanks to everybody who's been subscribing. I really appreciate it. I try to bring you guys the best trades that I'm getting into, the best content. If you guys want me to go over anything else, just leave it in the comments down below. Drop me suggestions, criticism, whatever you want. I'm here to teach you guys, and I'm here to learn myself. I learned doing all this stuff as well. So that's what every day is about. It's about learning. So let's go, people. Merry Christmas. We'll see you guys next time.